our recycled book project. My name is Rachel and today we'll be making recycled book wreaths. For this project you'll need a wreath form, which I picked up at the Dollar Tree, but you can also make your own out of just some cardboard and a bowl to make the shape. Or if you wanted to do a different shape like a heart, as in this example. You'll need some book pages, a glue gun and glue sticks, and maybe some scissors and a pencil. The first part of this project is wrapping all of your book pages into cones. I found this easiest to do by using a pencil or Sharpie to form the pages around. Just a little cone. As I learned in this project, you're going to need about double of the book pages as you think you will. This is another project that's done really well with paperback books because the pages are thinner, they ripped out of the book easily, and they're the perfect shape. If you were to use a full-size book, I would recommend cutting your pages in half so that you have a smaller area to work with. Once you've got some of your pages formed in your cones, you can take your wreath form and your glue gun and start adding them to your wreath. I started at the top, just a little bit at a time. Once you've got your pages all around the top of the wreath, you can go into the middle and even in the inside to finish filling out your form. As you can see, even with all of the pages that we did, I've only got a little bit of my wreath filled in. But you'll be amazed at how fast the whole thing will be covered in pages. Once you've got all your wreath covered with your pages, you can flip it over to add some twine or a pretty ribbon so that you can hang it up. And as you can see in this one, since I did a shape, I added some colored paper to the back side so that you could actually tell what it was. To make sure your wreath is super full, you can look at it from the top down at the end and see any spots that you might have missed. And I think our wreath is done.